I'm Nat and this is James. For over 2 years we've been sailing the world aboard our floating home, Zephyr. Someone once said that every person can transform the world to one of excitement and adventure. Follow our adventure by clicking the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so you don't miss an episode. Become a patron by clicking the Patron logo. You will get early access to weekly videos, exclusive content and much more.
My baby, I don't cover that I die for you.
So we've decided to leave Beckway today. So James is actually doing the anchor there, and I'm at the back pretending to know what I'm doing. But yeah, we're pretty excited actually to be changing up the scenery, and we're very lucky that we're able to do that every day. Whenever we feel like we've had enough of one place, just pick up anchor and go to the next place. So anyway, let's get going, and hopefully the next place is even more beautiful than this one.
I'm trying to let go of this heartache. It's been following me around. It wakes me up, it shoots me down. At this point I would rather be numb. I'm sick and tired of emotions. They've never done me any good, just tore me up into bits. I wish I knew how to call it quits. I should know by now.
We arrive at this secluded little anchorage in Canoan Island. We drop the anchor and plan a couple of nights here.
I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall.
James just backing down on the anchor.
Yeah.
In the rain. So we arrived to our next anchorage, and James has just asked me to cut his hair. Yeah, last time I had a whole YouTube tutorial. This time around, no YouTube tutorial. Dun dun dun. So we'll see if I can remember what's going on. Anyway, for your viewing, here we go. Are you ready?
You need time lapse?
But when I met her, it became a blur. She took my principles and turned them upside down. I had never felt that way, but what's to say? Sometimes good things end. But I didn't think that it would be this hard for a heart to mend. 'Cause I should know by now.
So James has just had his hair cut. Now we're going for a spearfish. The haircut is interesting. I feel really bad, but he didn't allow me to cut much off. So I the only way I could do it is if I cut a lot off, and then I didn't know how to fix it. So unfortunately, that's the only way I could cut more than what he wanted off and then go, oh, sorry. Anyway, we're off for a spear.
I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her
Oh, look at that!
I heard a loud bang.
Yeah, I just loaded it and I was just going along, and it's weird. It's like come out.
Oh.
But you see how that one is?
Yeah.
I don't even know if that's fixable or not.
man without his cane. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me.
Well, guys, we are off again.
Now we are going to actually go right to the Tobago Cays, which is pretty darn exciting. So we got about 45 minutes till we get there, and it should be pretty cool. For those that are interested, the Tobago Cays, it's 10 EC a night per person on board, and that's about it. There's some anchoring and there's some mooring buoys, so I think it just depends where you want to be.
We've got pretty good wind. We've only just left, so we're just sorting out the sails quickly, and we should be able to switch off the engine. Actually, I can just hear James switching it off now. Oh, peaceful. Sailing, off we go. We need to put the main out though. We've only reefed the heady, but we definitely need to put the main out now. So, but yeah, we're saying goodbye to this beautiful spot. It was beautiful, and on to the next. It's go, go, go at the moment. I think we got a fish.
Might do.
I don't know, now it's stopped. It stopped extending, so... What do you get?
Oh no.
Might have gotten off.
We got something.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yes, please let it be something good, not a barra. Not a barra, please. I think it's a barracuda. And the verdict is barra.
Oh, it's off now. Yeah.
Yeah, it was a barra. Oh, did it take the lure?
No.
Will I ever feel this light again? When I thought I didn't need it, I found a new friend. I'll wake you tomorrow before I leave, and the song I'll be singing will be this one indeed. This is as long as we go. I know you will be alright, but somehow wherever you are, you're still in the crossfire.
Check out this little stowaway we just found. So we've been warned about the birds here in the Tobago Cays, and apparently, like, you can't leave food out because they'll just come and nick it off your boat. We've been here 2 minutes at anchor, maybe even only 1 minute, and already
There's no boats here apart from us and our friends. So I don't know if that's COVID, but it just seems unreal that no one's here unless they know something we don't know. I mean, we knew it was going to be quieter because of COVID, but we didn't think this quiet. Anyway, enough talking. I want to show you how beautiful this spot is. I can't wait to get in the water. Apparently there's a spot where we can go and find sharks. So yeah, I'm itching to get in, but I'll show you before we go. The turtle beach, and you have to row because of the turtles. But we couldn't get over that line over there. So he was stuck on it forever, but James is now rowing. After some Turkish coffee, it's time to get in and snorkel this magical place. in, I think. And now we've just got to row back. Hey, Jay. I could get used to this. Just chilling. Back to the yacht.
Back to the yacht. Take me back to my
Could
yacht.
we pace it up a little bit, please? Oh, I gotta. We're stuck on the line. Hold up. Oh, we're going over. Tobago Cays are known as the jewel in the crown of the southern Grenadines. This marine park comprises 5 picture-perfect uninhabited islands surrounded by a clear lagoon. The rest of our days in the Tobago Cays are spent making the most of this amazing marine life all around us.
So hard to see from the moment we arrive. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. When time's been bad, you put smiles on everyone. Think of you and of all I should have done. You told me the thing would shape or form that you're in, the place you're from, the wealth or the color of your skin, and all you have burns to the sky. It's all too late.
Second snorkel day.
Sharks up here. So nice.
What do you see so far?
Your every day is a struggle and a strife. But don't you agree? With beating hearts, we're still alive. There comes a time when all you have is who you love. And Cornelia, you'll be all I'm thinking of. You told me the thing would shape or form that you're in, the place you're from.
So good. Swimming with sharks.
And all you have burns to the sky. It's all too late. You wonder why. Cornelia.
This is like the most perfect night right here now. Movie night, marshmallows.
Good morning, guys. We are on our way again. We had a pretty good night at Petit St. Vincent and the little Mopion exploration. And now we are off to Chatham Bay, which is
You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me.
We literally have no food on the boat.
2 cartons of milk, a random can of corned beef.
Oh my god. Emre busy at the barbecue. How's it going?
I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight.
If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so you can join the adventure each week aboard Zephyr.
Come to me, let's go. Come to me.
If you would like early access to weekly videos, bonus content, and free merch, click the Patron logo here. This journey is only made possible thanks to our amazing patrons.